Our last hit record.
Got a scrap piece of cardboard, and you can see the backer board, which is cardboard. I'm going to just trace it out, reattach some new grill cloth to it. Okay, I think that'll work. Here's the grill cloth I've chose to use. It's a piece of a remnant that I had left over from my Zenith restoration. It's got a little bit of a reddish hue to it, so I think that'll match up well with the cabinet and the red dial. Let me go ahead and get this cut out. Spray some adhesive on the back and get this placed in, and I'll do the punch outs just using my soldering iron for the 4 decorative screws. The back side of the grill cloth I'm going to use, and the front side. I put me a little key when I lay back down the backer. I'll try to center the red dot here and the dot here at the back, just to square up the kind of squiggly grill cloth.